Why yes 2 times?
Yes, you can ask me the question. And yes, me I date somebody, but I'm not really serious.
So you know say that me did a go ask.
What's the name face say you want to ask?
So you come around my son?
Any man who come around my son, I could put a ring on it. Otherwise, straight boyfriend zone.
Respect that still.
You're supposed to know some respect myself. Now I can't bag a man with my son.
You know me make a big mistake when me lose you.
That's how life go Ireland though. Just don't lose your son. You get a second chance with him.
Really, star.
So you see them balaclava or something there? When you walk up and down in your face? That I forgot stop.
Yeah man, me know that. But I just one thing doing a Marsha.
Yeah, I know. I don't really expect it to change overnight. But when you're there on your son, here's Orlando. You're free to be vicious when you're there on your friend there. Just not carry your next woman running.
Which next woman?
Miss Nainisha.
Oh, she talk with neatly, man. You're not for her, man.
Orlando, if you sick of your son, just make this work.
Definitely.
It is so go on.
There I do. I look for you the better one.
Read something, man. I mean, yesterday I tell the people, miss her and rare.
Brothers, you know, say you have to pretty up the story more while when you give them it.
I should have stopped asking me for miss her for real.
You know the thing, bro. You have to must down more while. So the link up, bro.
Yo, one tell us all that prepper reasons to do, bro. She even did it till late.
And she could have get a taxi in your truck.
You don't say come like in a peep, you never go in no more. But different is still, yeah. Dog, time I move away right now and some of them taxi boy, I'm not too trust them. You see me?
And she just jump on the block. What you say? She jump on the block. And she get some jump on the block.
Oh, dear, you like cake off in the brother. Oh, dear. You know,
Yes,
mash it down last night.
Jesus
Oh, you know, you easy still, the boy.
What you mean, bro? Pick up where you left off.
Yeah, boy, I tell you, so not to seal up still.
I saw you feel.
Yeah, we're vicious there.
I want to tell you, say, in the cause the free reason with him baby mother, you know.
She there?
Yeah, man. I want to tell you, say, she bring all him son too.
That is a good look.
Boy, me happy for him still in a brother. The man face light up like Christmas tree out.
Yo, them not forgive my yellow one.
So yes, Marsha, what I go on for you? You're making touching for the summer school, though.
One that is?
Alright, free man.
Bishop. I mean Orlando. Hello, Marsha.
Hello, Butcher.
What I go on, Jenna?
Yeah, pass and fast.
Alright, free, you know.
Excuse me.
Yo, you know, me here look argument about some phone grabbing me come out. Better call about it.
Phone grabbing. I can't and I juvenile him on the block and do that bad.
Yo, me I wonder.
That can't possible. Every man on the ground who no deal with petty thieves. Yo, my dog, some of them little juvenile and I will no medicine in a...
Orlando, the boy grab my phone.
Where you go?